welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today I prepared spring casual outfit ideas version 2 because I don't know, I'm just kind of in a mood that for making a really laid back and casual outfit ideas videos. That's just my mood. I don't know, I just cannot explain that well. And so these outfit ideas are perfect for just going outside to get some coffee, or going to gym, going to grocery store, going outside for a short time, but you also want to be cute by not spending a lot of time on changing your clothing. So I prepared it. I hope you enjoy it. Anyway, let's get started. Thanks for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let let me know which outfit is your favorite, and I hope it helps you get some outfit inspiration. And I have a plan for vlogging soon, like with OOTD kind of things, so stay tuned. It's gonna be really fun. And have a great, beautiful, wonderful, lovely day. Bye.